Two leading names in travel insurance showdown: Seven Corners and Generali Global Assistance. The question is, which one truly protects your next adventure? On one side you have Seven Corners, known for its flexibility and custom plans. On the other, Generali Global Assistance, praised for its reliability and global support. Let's cut through the marketing talk and see how these companies really stack up. We'll score each category so you can see exactly who wins where and why, and the final winner might surprise you. Quick map so you know what's coming. We're comparing these two across 6 things: price, global reach, claims experience, technology and support, flexibility, and of course, overall reputation and financial muscle. So yeah, pretty much everything you'd care about before traveling. First up, price. Seven Corners actually comes out swinging with some really competitive rates, and you can tweak your plan, which, honestly, that's cool if you hate paying for stuff you don't need. But heads up, their most basic plans are pretty much medical only, so you might miss out on the extras unless you upgrade. Now, Generali, well, they tend to be a bit pricier for similar coverage, but their bundle options for families are pretty nice if you're getting everyone covered at once. So if you're solo or want to keep costs super low, Seven Corners takes this round. Global reach. Seven Corners is solid if your plans are real US focused or going to the usual vacation hotspots, but once you go a bit off the grid you might notice some limits, yeah, especially outside North America. Now Generali? Oh, and here's something cool: they've got offices all over in 35 plus countries and a worldwide networking game that's honestly hard to beat. Sometimes it does get a little tricky with US-specific stuff, but for pure global footprint, Generali wins this category easily. Claims experience is next, and both companies actually score well here. Seven Corners gives you 24/7 multilingual help if things go south, and their online claims get love for quick payouts, though yeah, the paperwork on big claims can drag. Generali also has a solid reputation for quick emergency help and lets you file claims online or by app. There are some complaints about slow responses for non-emergencies, but hey, that happens everywhere, right? Honestly, this one's a tie. You're in good hands either way. Did you know Generali traces its roots back to 1831, making it one of the oldest insurance companies still active? That's a seriously long resume. Alright, now tech and support. Seven Corners covers the basics. Decent website, app gets the job done. US-based support is kind of reassuring if time zones matter. But not gonna lie, the app is kinda barebones, no push notifications, missed opportunity right there. But then Generali zooms past with a super modern app. You get a digital wallet, alerts, you can track your claims, all that good stuff. Plus, their help team is global and multilingual, though fair warning, it can get busy during peak season. Still, Generali's tech is just way ahead in this race. Flexibility, this one's fun. Seven Corners offers like a menu for everything. You want medical only, comprehensive, are you a student or an expat? You can even tack on niche stuff like adventure sports or rental cars. I love that level of control, but yeah, every little add-on can nickel and dime you. Generali, on the other hand, is more like pick standard, preferred, or premium and go. It's super simple, but if you want to micromanage every little thing, it's just not as granular. Seven Corners gives you more ways to mix and match, so they edge ahead here. Let's wrap up the categories with reputation and financial strength. Seven Corners has actually been around for 30+ years and is backed by solid partners, so it's reliable, just not that many people outside US expats or frequent travelers might know them. Now Generali, this company's basically insurance royalty, part of a legendary group going way back with top marks from all the rating agencies. Downside, big companies mean more red tape. Still, if you want the heavy hitter with history, Generali snags the point. You can see it all mapped out. Seven Corners dominates on price and flexibility, Generali rules for tech, reach, and reputation, and they're neck and neck on claims. Interesting how it all evens out. If you're someone who wants to personalize every detail or you're moving around the US a lot, Seven Corners just fits better. But for families or anyone heading overseas who just wants that one and done, all-in-one deal, Generali makes it easy and has the chops to back you up worldwide. If this helped you at all, or you just love hearing breakdowns with no nonsense, seriously, follow for more. I've got plenty more tips to help you choose smart on your next adventure.